Hi guys, this is Vineet, and in today's video we will discuss about how you can view the table definitions inside SQL Server. So before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel. So why do you need to subscribe? So I've collated some of the points. Why do you need to subscribe to this channel? So the first point is subscribe because you need to excel in your career and achieve job with high salary package. Second point is subscribe because you're getting best SQL content on this channel with in-depth discussion of concepts. Third point is subscribe because we are providing in-depth training on SQL Server and not just providing the surface level knowledge like other channels are providing. Fourth point is subscribe because you need to master SQL Server. Fifth point is subscribe because you do not have time to go through books and just want to learn by watching the video content and practice it on SQL Server directly. If any of these 5 points are true for you, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. There is a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. You will get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon. Select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. Let me share some of the motivational tips to gain mastery in SQL Server. Try to spend at least 3 to 4 hours per day watching SQL Server videos on my channel. And in case you are not doing a regular 9-hour shift job, you can spend a whole day watching my videos. Try to utilize Sundays and Saturdays fully to cover all my videos in all my SQL Server playlists. Links are given in the description area of each video. And don't waste your time, especially on these days. Take break for 15 minutes after watching videos every hour. Take care of your health so that you can focus all your energy and efforts on running SQL Server stuff. Show dedication towards advancing your career by investing more of your time in learning and getting a job with high salary package. So if you follow these motivational tips, I can assure that you will reap some good results in coming time, maybe in 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line. So try to follow these motivational tips. Now there are some points to remember. Please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if it's possible for you, please watch this video twice. Perform any exercises in your test and lab environments only. Do not touch any production environments or production databases. We would like to know your thoughts regarding our videos, so please share your comments with us, guys. We eagerly wait for your comments. In case you need the PDF copy of these notes for any of the videos, although this video does not have much notes, so this is not applicable here, but yeah, there are some videos where we have PDF notes, lengthy PDF notes. So in case you need a copy of these notes, there are two methods to get the same. First one is the paid method, where you just need to send me an email with the video title to my email address vane@gmail.com, for which you want the PDF notes. Just send me the title of that video. I will send you the payment link. Upon making the payment, you will be able to download the PDF notes. Second method is the free method, where you just need to subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button below my video. Click on that subscribe button. After clicking on the subscribe button, it will change to subscribed button. Once it is changed to subscribe button, take a screenshot of that area. It should include the subscribed button, my channel name, as well as the video title. Sorry. So these three things: my channel name, video title, and the subscribe button. Take a screenshot of that area, send that screenshot to me over to my email address vrmavane@gmail.com. So once I receive your email, I will check the video title and your subscription status, after which I will create PDF notes for you and send you the copy of the PDF notes over the email. I have curated some playlists for you to watch. These are very useful playlists, guys, so please go through each one of them as per your domains and as per your liking. So first playlist is the SQL Server database design playlist, which can be watched by any of the guys in any of the domains. So this is basically a database design playlist. Second playlist is on SQL Server Tables playlist, which is a part of database design playlist, but I have curated it separately. If you just want to learn specifically related to tables, you can watch out this playlist. So I've also listed how many videos does these playlists currently contain. So for example, the database design playlist contains 46 videos. Now the third playlist is the business continuity playlist, which consists of 49 videos. Then we have a SQL Server indexing playlist, which contains videos related to indexing. And fifth one is the SQL Server performance tuning playlist, which contains 15 videos. Sixth one is the SQL Server Integration Services playlist, which consists of 6 videos. So you can watch all of these playlists out. Apart from that, I have a channel page which is at youtube.com/@SQL Talks by Vineet. If you visit my channel page, you will see a subscribe button there as well. From there, you can subscribe as well to my channel. And apart from that, you will find a playlist specially curated for you as per your liking and as per your watch history. It will create a playlist for you. Apart from that, you will find all of these mentioned playlists over there as well. And apart from that, you will find the trending videos and the videos you watch most of the time, so you can check them out. So it's worthwhile to visit my channel page. Now let's back to the today's topic, which is how you can view the table definition in SQL Server. Table definition is basically a table structure. So let's quickly go to notes. So let me take a marker from the draw menu. Okay, so today we will discuss how you can view the table definition, which is basically a table structure, and you can display the properties for a table in SQL Server by using SQL Server Management Studio or Transact-SQL. So we have both the ways to view the table structure or to view the properties of a table. So first demo is on how to use the SSMS to show table properties in the properties window. So we will show you how you can view the table properties in the properties window using SSMS, and similarly we will show you how you can use Transact-SQL to show the table properties. So let's invoke SQL Server and let me take you through these demos. So first demo is using the SQL Server Management Studio. We'll show you how you can view the table properties in the properties window. So once SQL Server opens, you will connect to the default instance of SQL Server. I'm connecting to the default instance, and on the left hand side we have Object Explorer. We need to select the table for which we want to view the property. So let's select the AdventureWorks database and let's go to a table section. We will select one of the anonymous tables. Let's say person.address if we want to check the properties for this table. What you need to do is you need to right click on that table, person.address, and if you want to check the properties, click on the properties button. It will open up the properties of the table in this window. We will go through the table properties, each of these properties later on, but yeah, this is how you can get the table properties window to see the table definitions and all, and what all configurations are set for the table. You can view them in the properties window. So this is the SSMS way to check the table properties. Now let me show you how you can use the Transact-SQL to check the table properties. Let's use the same table, person.address. Let's trigger a new query. So in order to check the properties of a table, what you can do is you can execute a stored procedure. So in order to invoke a stored procedure, you start with execute command and you take the sp help stored procedure, and then you need to specify the object for which you want the help. So we want help related to this particular table, person.address. So let me mention that object and execute the statement. So it will give me definition of the table. The definition of the table includes what all columns does this table have. So it has like 9 columns, including address ID, address line 1, line 2. It gives the data type as well. So this is basically the structure of the table. Whether a particular column is a computed column or not, what's the length of the column, precision in case of float or decimal data type, and whether the column can allow a null or not, and various other properties including the collations as well. So this is how you can view the table structure if you want it to view it through the Transact-SQL statement. So remember this command, execute sp_help, and you need to provide the name of the table within the single quotes if you want to check the table structure. And below that we got some other information as well. So it tells us the second command, the second window is telling us about that address ID is a identity column, which is an auto increment column. So it has a seed value of 1 and it increments by 1, and it's not used for any replication, marked by this column, not for replication. And it also tells us if we have any row GUID column, so that column name is row GUID, and where the data is located for that particular table. So it's located on the primary file group, and apart from that, what all indexes are there on this table. So we have 3 indexes, and first one is defined on the address and row grid, and second is defined on multiple columns, and third one is defined on address and address ID, what type of index it is, non-clustered, clustered, and it also tells us about the what are the index keys, basically the columns which are used for indexing. So the third index has used the address ID column. The first index, aka address row grid ID, used the row grid column, and the second index uses multiple columns, so it's a multi-column index. So this is how you can view most of the properties and structure of the table. So this is a very useful command, please keep in mind. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Let me see if I can give you some more information. So if you want to view more information, one way is this, which provides you the basic information, and if you want some detailed information about particular table, then what you can do, you can write this SQL script along with me. So let me select star from, first let me take star from sys.columns. so this is the catalog view which consists of all the column, provides all the column of a table. And let me do a inner join, or you can simply type join as well. Let's join this with sys.tables catalog, and let's mark it as T, maybe as T, and we want to join it on the, we want to join these two tables, the columns and tables, these two catalog views on column which is common. The common column is the object ID. So I'm taking t dot object ID equals c dot object ID. Let me remove this. So let's take this. So it's not at, it as. So this is the join command between two tables. Let's further join it with one more table, which is schema, which basically contains the schema information for a table, whatever table. So let's take it as S, and let's join it on column, and the common column will be schema ID between the table and the schema catalog view. So let's take S dot schema ID equals T dot schema ID. So I've joined 3 tables, and now I'm taking a condition where I need to specify the table name. So it's t dot name. Now the table name is person dot address. So I just need to mention the table name here, not the schema. So table name is address over here, and we can specify schema by using the add command. So I can take schema from that schema table, and I can specify the schema. The schema is person. So this is how we can run this command as well, apart from that sp help stored procedure. So when you run this command, it will give you much information. Like it has given the the column names. It has around 9 columns, the column ID numbers, and various other information, the length, the precisions, the collations, and whether it's encrypted or not, and name of the object using these columns, so it's the address table. What's the object ID using these columns, what type of object it is. So this is another type of information you can get by joining these 3 catalog views, which are, and this is the schema name person. So this is how you can get some detailed information on a table by joining these 3 catalog views, and these 3 catalog views are sys.column, sys.tables, and sys.schemas. And you join the column and tables catalog view on the object ID column, which is common between them, and you can join the tables and schemas catalog view on the schema ID column, and you can further filter it by table name and the schema name. So I hope you got it. and you got both the commands, both the sp help stored procedure as well as joining of these three tables to get the table definition and table column structure, etc. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you really like it, please click on the like button below this video, and if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button immediately so that you can get notifications regarding all my future videos, which will be very useful for you. So once you click on the subscribe button below this video, you will get a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to enable all the notifications so that you can get notifications regarding all my future videos. Apart from that, guys, do post your comments to us, do share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe to our channel in case you want to make a difference in their life as well as your own life. So please go ahead and do the same, and I thank you so much for your time on this video today, and you have a wonderful day ahead.